Hi everyone, welcome to April 7th, week 12 of your Illustrator class. Hope you're all still healthy, doing well, and doing okay with your classes being moved online and all of that. I still haven't heard from a few of you through discussion posts or emails or anything, so I'm hoping you'll check in, watch this little video for the week, and reach out or post your midterm, all those things. So as you know, this week midterms are due, and what you're going to do is post a JPEG or something, a PDF is fine, of your midterm in the discussion topic, and then also upload it to that assignment Dropbox where you normally would. This week, you need to respond and provide feedback to at least 2 of your classmates. And I gave you some questions to think about as you're looking through your classmates' pieces. I've peeked at the discussion post so far today, and I'm really just blown away yet again at the quality of work coming out of this class. So, great work so far. I can't wait to see the rest of them. I will be replying throughout the week to your discussion posts and your projects. Next week at this time, check back in. I'll do a video lesson on the topics we were going to cover for that week in class. And then honestly, we have like one more assignment to go. I may just combine that final assignment with the final, so you just have one thing to work on. I can't really believe that through all this craziness, it's almost the end of the semester. But yeah, let's just get through this week and our first round of project discussion posts. Again, if you need to do that, you go to Activities, Discussions, then you'll click on the midterm critique discussion link. Open that up. Sorry for the delay in the video. Click on Start a New Thread. And then you can type and also include attachments, images. You could just insert an image directly, however you want to do it. You can either add an attachment or insert the image right into your discussion post. So, okay, again, looking forward. If any of you have questions or have difficulty, please shoot me an email through D2L. For those of you who have been emailing me and asking questions, I hope they are resolved. Let me know if you need more help. And again, looking forward to seeing the rest of your projects, and I will talk to you next week, if not through the discussion post sooner. Have a good one, enjoy the weather, and I hope it's going well. Bye.